Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is Nakie and this is Cook with Nakie. Thank you so much for stopping by. On today's menu, we're making some light soup. This is a village style light soup. Really easy, simple to make, but tastes really good. Let's get started. In the pot, I'm going to add my tolo beefy or tolo beef, which is also salted beef that is cured. It has a lot of flavor to it, and if you use it for your light soup, you will love it. So I added water to it and I'm boiling this. So I cooked this for about 10 minutes, and this is my blended ginger and onion. I just put it in the ice tray and I freeze it. That's why it looked that way, to save time. I'm adding some scotch bonnet pepper, my onion, and some fresh tomatoes. And I'm adding a little bit water because it's going to be light soup, so I want to be a little bit lighter. This is homemade tomato paste. I already made this video. I'm going to list in the description box. You could use regular tomato paste if you prefer. I like to use the homemade tomato paste for soups like this because it gives it that sweetness to your soup. And since I'm making more like a village style soup, I don't want the regular tomato paste because I don't want it too red. This is still going to give me that color and add some sweetness to it and still give me that village style soup, if you know what I'm talking about. Not too red, but a little bit of color to it. As you can see, my tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper and onion was soft, so I took it out. I'm going to blend it and I'm going to put it back into the soup. This is my baked tilapia. You could use any fish of your choice, but I'm using baked tilapia this time, and I have some adrenal, that's smoked catfish. When you're making this type of soup and you have smoked catfish, the adrenal, please add one or a little bit to it because it adds a lot of flavor to your soup. But if you don't worry, just use any fish you have. And I'm adding my blended vegetables to it, and I'm adding a little bit water because I want it a little bit lighter but not too much. So yeah, if you want it more lighter, add more water to it. So I tested for salt and my salt content was okay. Remember, I used a salted beef, so I'm not adding any more salt. This is my shrimp tablet. Use any seasoning of your choice, and that's it. This soup is simple to make but really delicious. I'm adding my okra because I'm going to be having this soup with some fufu. Oh my god, this soup was really good. And this cooked for additional 15 minutes, and as you can see that oil, yeah, that tells you your soup is done. And this is so simple to make, guys. It smells good. The tolo beef, oh my god. You have this with some rice, fufu, kokonte, whatever you want to pair this with. I had it with some fufu and it was everything. This is a straightforward village style soup. It doesn't take long to do, no corners, it's not complicated. As you can see, everything was so simple to make and the recipe is so easy to follow. So yeah, if you want some village style soup, just follow this recipe and you will love it. With this kind of soup, I did not like sieve it. You know when you want your soup really light, you sieve like the blended tomato, scotch bonnet pepper and onion to get it that lighter. No, this is like a potogum, strigum, something like that kind of thing they say. Yeah, I blended everything straight into the soup. I'm not sieving nothing. We don't have time for that. We are going straight forward to the soup and that's it. And it tastes even better. Yeah, but if you want it really lighter, yeah, go ahead and like sieve it to get it that lighter consistency. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching this recipe. I hope you learned something new. I hope you give this recipe a try and I know you will love it. Please give me a thumbs up if you love this video. Until I come your way next time, this is Cook with Nakie. Be good to yourself, be good to everybody. It goes a long way.